Hi everyone. So tonight I'm gonna show you how I have been doing my video conference at my work, and with these decent quality, like with these like basic quality Logitech webcams going for over $100. There's actually alternative, and that's what you're looking at right now, and that's a GoPro Hero 4. The GoPro Hero 4 right now, you can get it used probably at $70. And if you can just somehow creatively create a mounting system for it, then you don't need any of these this quick mount and then this little snaking. So this is how I set it up, but you don't have to set it up the same way, right? You may have other situations that allow you to do something different, but basically you have a GoPro Hero 4 here, and you hook it up to, and then you hook it up to this is a micro HDMI cable to a standard HDMI cable, and this is a mini USB cable, and it goes to my USB charger right here to provide power. Let me turn on the lights here. And then the HDMI cable kind of snake it down all the way down, and it goes to the back where this HDMI capture dongle is. This HDMI capture dongle, I will put a link to eBay. You'll find something very similar, and it's only $15 at its lowest point. And okay, so once you sign into Zoom, then all you need to do is hit setting here, go to video, and make sure you choose a USB video, because that's what it says it is in the system. And there we go. Yeah. So once you figure out the video, once you get the video output correctly, then you move to audio. This setup actually works with audio as well, so your GoPro can serve as your audio input. You just have to choose the right one, and when you plugged in with the USB capture card, you also get a device called digital audio interface, and then whatever that's behind it, and make sure that is chosen. Then you can do a mic test. So testing. Alright, I just hear it from my headset. So yeah, it's all good. So this is all you need. The setup is very similar in Skype or any other software. So this presents itself as just like a generic camera, and that's it. The video quality is actually pretty good. I mean, you can see the legend of my keyboard. I just can't see my face because I don't want to show you. Alright, anyways, so this is it. If you have any questions, just leave the comment down below. If you feel that anyone can make use of this video, then just share it, and subscribe for more technical videos such as this one. And thank you for watching, and you have a good day. So now, as you can see, that I already set it up in OBS to use the new capture card, but I'm just going to show you how this is done again. Let me delete this. Alright, so when you choose the source, hit the plus sign, choose video capture device, and then give it a name, create new, whatever you do, and then hit OK. And then the new box, choose USB video. Hopefully you don't have duplicate ones, but you should see only this one. There you go. And now the audio is if it ever gets served, let's say if you play Xbox 360 or any game console, and it send the audio through the HDMI as well. you should hit use custom audio device and then change it to digital audio interface. That is the separate device that the capture dongle presents the system to for audio. So do that and hit OK. So as you can see that this is a Raspberry Pi using showing one of my counter picture frame through dartboard. It looks just fine. This is probably showing 1080p. Yeah, it works with Raspberry Pi, works with my Xbox, so I don't know what's up with the Dell laptop that I have there, but I think the compatibility is fine, except for one outlier, that's my Dell laptop.